Before every growing season, usually around winter, like this visit in late June, I stock up on soil, compost and manure. You don't have to visit Bunnings like I did. Many garden centres carry similar products. Just go wherever is convenient and affordable for you. But sometimes, with so many choices on the shelves, how do you know what's actually worth buying? In this video, I will walk you through why soil quality matters in your garden and how to choose the right products. And I will use my Bunnings trip as an example. Namaskaram, I'm Srideep and welcome back to Blossom Your Way, where we focus on growing what matters in your garden, your home and your life. Healthy plants begin with healthy soil. Without the right nutrients, structure and microbial life, even the best seeds and seedlings can struggle. Soil isn't just dirt. It's the living, breathing ecosystem beneath our plants. And the healthier our soil, the more nutrient-rich our homegrown food will be. Now let's start with compost. It should be dark, crumbly, and smell earthy. Not sour or full of wood chips. Compost adds organic matter and it helps improve water retention and soil structure. There are a few options here that you can see. I've stuck with this brand for a few years now and I feel it's affordable and works well in my garden. Now, I did try using mushroom compost once, but it developed white mold quite quickly, and for the price, I didn't feel it was the right fit for our garden. Maybe I'll try it again someday, but for now, I just like keeping things simple. And I also found that cheaper composts, like Garden Basics, have too much bark and not enough aged organic matter. So the cheaper price doesn't really pay off, in my opinion. Now, if we go on to manure, it's another great addition, but only if it's well aged or composted. I usually use sheep, cow or chicken manure, and when I do a full bed reset, I pick one type and use it across all my beds. And throughout the growing season, I rotate different manures as part of my fertilizing schedule to give the soil a balanced nutrient profile. Now, when I went shopping this year, I found the chicken manure was the most affordable, so I just went with that. If you're near horse stables, you might even find free bags of horse manure on the curbside. Just remember, if you're picking one of those bags up which have fresh manure, it needs to be composted for at least 9 months before using in your garden. Otherwise, it's just too rich and it can introduce weed seeds into your garden and also has the potency to kill the young roots as well. I will show you how I use these in my own soil mix in the next video and why it's not necessary to buy the most expensive products. Now, when it comes to containers and pots, I usually make my own potting mix. But if you're new to gardening and need to buy one, go for a premium mix, something that drains well but still holds on to moisture. Now, please try to avoid the really cheap mixes which have lots of bark or filler, especially if you're growing root crops or turmeric like I do. A light, fluffy mix will give your plants the best start and help roots grow strong and healthy. And here's a little tip. You can actually make your own premium potting mix for about half the price. I'll be showing you exactly how in my next episode, so make sure to follow along. Worm castings are like gold for the garden, packed with microbes and gentle nutrients that plants love. I also use slow-release organic fertilizers like Rooster Booster and Dynamic Lifter for consistent feeding. I'll be covering more about fertilizing in another video soon. I will meet you all in the next episode. Until then, please keep growing what matters. And remember, it doesn't have to be perfect, it just has to begin. Now, if you haven't already, please like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family that like gardening. That's how we can grow together. Happy growing!